So I would like to receive these bitmaps to my adapter. So I have to write private array list. Of course, it's going to be array list of bitmaps, and I'm calling it list. I would like to create a constructor for this. So I'm coming below this list and I'm using right click, go to generate and generate the constructor and select the array list of bitmap, click OK. So I'm coming here, get item count. I'm using list.size to return the size of the list. And here on the view holder, I can declare my image view inside the layout. So image view, like this. It can be private. And I can initialize it here inside the constructor. So I have to use this item view holder. Image view is gonna be filled with item view dot find view by ID, r.id, and image view page. I guess it was the ID, image view page. So in the onBind view holder, we can fill up this image view. I'm typing holder because the image view gonna be inside the holder. Holder dot image view dot set image bitmaps, and I'm using this list dot get, and for the position of the bitmap I'm using this position like that. I'm removing the empty lines, and here I have to create a view of our holder. So I'm coming here, typing view is gonna be layout inflator dot from. Then I have to pass context. For the context, I have to use parent dot get context. This is the way I can get the context inside the adapter. And then I have to inflate it and pass the layout here, r dot layout dot pages layout. Yeah, this is the pages layout, and again parent and false, like that. And then instead of null, I'm passing new of my view holder, and I have to pass the view inside my view holder here. So our adapter should be all right. Now I go back to the main activity. Here inside run on UI thread, which the bitmap is already filled. So result is coming here. To do that, I have to initialize my adapter. My adapter name is pages adapter. I'm calling it adapter, and it's gonna be new pages adapter. Of course, we have to pass the list of the bitmaps. So I can pass these bitmaps here, like this, and close it. Then I have to initialize my recycler view, which I created here inside the layout of main activity, and the ID is recycler view page. So recycler view, I'm calling it simply recycler view, and find view by ID, RID, and gonna be recycler view page, this one. So for this recycler view, I would like to set it as a fixed size. So I select set has fixed size to true. And it's time to set the adapter and pass our adapter to recycler view, like this. Now the application should be fine, and let's run it and see what we get. Okay, our application is here. I click on the open PDF. I'm coming here, go to the download. I select this one. As you can see, it's loading the PDF, but the pages are not fit to the page. So for that one, we have to get the screen size and set the width to the screen width. And of course, we have to increase the height also as much as we increase this width to be in a good ratio and be normal and not changing the size and the ratio. To do that, I go back to the main activity. Here inside this get bitmaps, first of all, I'm getting these screen metrics. I'm using display metrics like this. I'm calling it metrics, and it's gonna be get resources dot get display metrics. And I have to get the width, so I create an integer variable. I'm calling it width, and the width gonna be metrics dot width pixels. So I can get the screen width in pixels. Okay, that's good. So I scroll down here. Instead of this W, which is the original width of the page, I would like to use the width of a screen. So I just use this width. I just get it here, so I put it here. And for the height, I create a simple formula to increase the height in a good ratio. And it's gonna be height multiplied by width divided by W. It should be all right. Now let's run the application again and see if the page is getting fed without our screen or no. I click here, select the file. As you can see, now every page is fed with the screen. But as you can see, the pages are very close to each other, so we cannot see where the page is finishing. For do that, I go to page layout, which is our layout for our holder. And here I set a vertical margin to, for example, 4 dp. So let's run it again. Select a file. As you can see, now we can see this highlight between pages. This is the color of the background, app background. Sorry. So now you can scroll and you can see all the PDF pages here. You can try with another file if you wish. You have to wait for the file to load, and it's coming here. Okay, this was a simple application for open a PDF file. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please leave me a like or subscribe for more video. Have a good time.